Hello Amaze Tech viewers. In this video, let's unbox and have a look at Mi Band's table speaker stand. This video is made in collaboration with AliExpress Influencer Program. Please check the video description for this product's AliExpress buy link and exclusive discount codes. Let's unbox and see what's inside. This is basically a Bluetooth speaker which can mount our Mi Band as a mini robot. We can also use this a Bluetooth speaker paired with smartphone and laptop. As of now, this speaker supports Chinese versions of Mi Band 8, Mi Band 9 and Mi Band 10. Whether this speaker will support global version Mi Bands is still unclear. In case if we want to try this speaker, we recommend buying the Chinese version of Mi Band 8 or 9 or 10, and switch the language to English. Once this speaker receives global version Mi Band support, we will update in the description and comments of this video. When mounted, this setup can display incoming call details on Mi Band screen. This can also display song details of the music being played. This can also display calendar and alarm details. In the next video, we will demo this speaker functionalities by pairing it with Chinese version Mi Band set to English language. Overall, this is a well-designed accessory for our Mi Bands.